We talk football SA. Namnikeni Mntungwa. Tomorrow it's Amazulu or it's Orlando Pirates versus Amazulu. Amazulu is a very good organized team, but we expect nothing special from them tomorrow. Nobody comes out of Orlando Stadium alive. No one wins games at Orlando consistently except for this team from Limpopo, Skukuni that came out alive. Castric Stars came out alive. Suwelele came out alive. Rather than that, to get a draw at Orlando is a mountain to climb. And now it's 6 games to go. Orlando Pirates is forced to win. So I don't see Amazulu winning. Yes, they've got some good players. They are a good team. Makolo will be there. Liam Penn will be there. Their goalkeeper Johnson will be there. But to come out of Orlando Stadium alive is very difficult. Police is there. So for me, Mfukeng is there. Mbutuma is there. So I don't expect Amazulu to get a draw tomorrow. So for me, prediction is Orlando Pirates, many goals, Amazulu 0. Thank you.